Assalamualaikum and good day to our respected lecturer and fellow classmates. Today we from Group 10 are very excited to present our project for Principle of Management. For the assignment, we have created a company named Neutra Sdn.Bhd. Our primary focus is to deliver everyday freshness and sales assurance to our consumer through high-quality personal care product. This is perfectly encapsulated is our brand slogan, Fresh Confident Every Day. As you can see on the screen, our official logo reflects cleanness and neutral element alongside our flagship product, Neutra Deodorant. Moving on, here is the team management behind Neutra Sdn.Bhd. Our group consists of 8 members. Now that you know our team, I will pass the floor to our next presenter to begin our discussion on company management framework. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Zahrah Athirah and my metric number 309113. Today I will presenting Neutra Sdn.Bhd, a Malaysian deodorant company with a simple tagline, fresh confidence every day. So let's start with a little background on who we are. Neutra Sdn.Bhd operates in the personal care and hygiene industry. Headquartered in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, we were established in January 2020, and since then, we have been producing 3 core products: roll-on, spray, and stick deodorants. Now, why does Neutra exist? Our vision is to become Malaysia's most trusted deodorant brand, empowering individuals with freshness and confidence every day. To get there, our mission runs on 3 pillars. First, to produce high-quality skin-friendly deodorant products that meet international safety standards. Second, to continuously innovate with formulas that are effective, sustainable, and inclusive for all skin types. And third, to make personal hygiene products accessible and affordable to all Malaysians. Moving on to our objective, we aim to capture 30% of the Malaysian deodorants market within 5 years, expand into eco-friendly and halal certified variants, and grow into ASEAN market by year 7. We also target a 90% customer satisfaction rate and will invest heavily in R&D to develop formulas suited for Malaysia's tropical climate. Finally, let's take a look at the people behind Neutra. Our company is led by our Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Lubis Muhammad Fatir Denisha, who oversees 3K Division. The Operation Division is headed by Mr. Ahmad Fauzan bin Muhammad Anwar as COO, supported by our Operation Manager, Mr. Ku Muhammad Lukman Shah. Our Finance Division is led by Madam Siti Nurani Munira binti Cik Osman as CFO, with Mr. Wan Muhammad Nabhil Irfan handling the finance and accounting function. And our Marketing Division is led by me, Zahrah Athirah, as CMO, supported by our Marketing and Sales Manager, Ms. Anis binti MASRURI, along with the Brand and Digital team headed by Ms. Adina Nafisa binti Fazir.
Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon. My name is Siti Durani Mundirah binti Cik Osman and my metric number is 311220. So today I'm going to talk about the management function in POLC. POLC is stand for planning, organization, leading and also control. Okay, so today I would like to explain about planning. What's the function of planning in our organization and why it's very important for our company. Okay, first of all, what is the meaning of planning? Planning is the process of defining goals, establish strategies, and also developing action plans. For what? For towards accomplishing organizational goals. And also by having a good planning, it will make the company in a better performance. Okay, planning is one step for managers to anticipate the future of an organization by defining relevant objectives or goals and to develop policies or procedure to guide those who will be doing the work. Okay, planning is a very vital and the primary function of the management. Why? By having good planning, the organization is in the position to achieve like easily to achieve their objective or goals due to increased efficiency of the organization. Okay, for example, we start plan on the objective of the organization for what? To provide the direction of company goals, to make the strategies of Neutra deodorant company, to make the Neutra company more achievable, more perform. Okay, the importance of planning is to make sure Neutra company can grow. Okay, Neutra deodorant's mission is to develop unique and also different aromas and create confidence to those who have a bad smell of their body, especially our private part, like in our arm. Okay, because by having a bad of aromas will make us more shame, so we create this product to boost our confidence how when we speak to the public or when we going to present ourselves. Okay, Neutra the drug company also will be successful for the future, because we must include our vision that one of the Neutra deodorant goals is to become a well-known deodorant company that receive awards for its uniqueness, elegance, and ability to unite people by using the art of fragrance. By having this kind of fragrance, we can easily make connection or easily can talk with them nicely. So that's all from me. And conclusion is, by having a good planning can make the company will grow, and also will defining goals and also can achieve our mission and vision of our company. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Athirah binti Fazir, and my metric number is 312481. So today, I would like to present about 3 types of planning for 3 levels of management. So, neutral deodorant strategic planning focuses on long-term growth. The company plans to establish its own fragrance laboratory and source raw materials from both local and international suppliers. This allows the company to create signature scents while reducing dependence of external suppliers. The ultimate goal is to become one of the most top 5 deodorant brands in Southeast Asia within the next 10 to 15 years. So the next one is for tactical planning. So for practical planning, Neutra deodorant focuses on medium-term goal. The company intends to introduce affordable deodorant collection suitable for various target markets. Collaboration with international fragrance experts will help improve product quality. Additionally, expanding into shopping malls and online platform will increase brand awareness and attract more customers. So the next one is the operational planning. So the operational planning is focuses on daily business activities. Neutra deodorant aims to attract customers through elegant packaging and scents that suit local preference. The company will work closely with distributors and boutiques stores while continuously training employees. The key target is to sell at least 800 bottles every month and achieve stable profits within the first 6 months. So the next one is I'm going to present about strategic positioning. So Neutra deodorant is positioned as an affordable and elegant deodorant brand for both men and women. It offers unique and long-lasting fragrance that provide comfort and confidence. Our main target market is Generation Z, who value unique and high-quality products. Although we compete with brands like The Body Shop and Bath and Body Works, Neutra deodorant stands out through its distinctive fragrance, premium quality, and affordable pricing. Lastly, I'm gonna present about the SWOT analysis. So this SWOT analysis help us to identify neutral deodorants, the strengths, the weakness, the opportunities, and threats in the market. So the first one is strengths. Neutral deodorant offers a unique and long-lasting fragrance, modern packaging, and it's suitable for both men and women at an affordable price. The next one is weakness. The weakness is, as a new brand, Neutra has low market recognition and higher production costs, which require continuous market efforts. The third one is opportunities. The growing demand for personal care products and the use of social media provide excellent opportunities for promotion and future market expansion. And the last one is threats. So the threat is Nutra faces strong competition from established brands, and consumers' preference can change quickly. So that's all from me.
Hello everyone, my name is Kumar Maluk Masha bin Kumar Shari. Number matrix 311730. So my part is organizing through the level of culture. We will look at a company called Neutra Sdn.Bhd. To understand their success, we are going to use a famous model by Edgar Skin. It explains that culture has three levels, which is artifacts, values, and basic assumptions. Let's look at them one by one. First, let's start with the artifact level. These are things we can actually see and hear in the company. At Neutra, organization is very clear. They have three main departments: governance and finance, production and quality control, and marketing and sales. But here is the most important part. The founder and the COO coordinate everything personally. This ensures that every department works together and follows the same plan. So, when you look at the Neutra, you see a company that is very well organized and professional. Next, we move to second levels, which is expose values. This is what the company says they believe in. At Neutra, their values are teamwork, accountability, and excellence. However, Neutra doesn't just put these words on a wall. They practice them every day. For example, they have daily morning briefings and weekly meetings. These sessions are very important. It is where they share information, handle challenge, and make sure everyone is accountable for their work. This turns their values into real action. And finally, we reach the deepest level, which is basic assumptions. These are the hidden beliefs that everyone in the company shares. At Neutra, the core belief is very simple. A clear structure and clear responsibilities lead to success. They believe that when every person knows exactly what to do, the business will run smoothly and stay successful for a long time. This is the heart of their company culture. In conclusion, Neutra Sdn.Bhd is successful because they align what they see, what they say, and what they believe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Morfatir Denisha Lubis, metric code 30909. Next, I'm going to talk about the types of culture. First is the hierarchy culture. The hierarchy culture serves as an operational backbone for the organization. The company relies heavily on meticulously designed standard operating procedures, or SOPs in short, and well-defined reporting relationship to govern its daily workflows. This structured environment ensures that every process, from product manufacturing to quality control, is executed with maximum accuracy, consistency, and efficiency. The clear lines of authority that employees understand exactly where they fit within the organizational chart, eliminating ambiguity regarding roles, responsibilities, and decision-making power. Next is the risk mitigation. By prioritizing compliance, strict adherence to protocols, and data-driven oversight, Neutra successfully minimizes errors, reduces waste, and maintains a highly dependable output that customers and stakeholders can trust. Secondly is the market culture. Complementing its internal structure, Neutra drives its external growth through aggressive market culture. The company fosters a highly competitive, result-oriented environment where performance is measured by tangible outcomes. Every department is aligned toward the ultimate goals of driving sales performance, capturing new demographics, and aggressively expanding the company market share within the highly competitive deodorant industry. The high performance mindset that leaders set ambiguous, clear-cut targets, encouraging teams to be agile, customer-centric, and relentlessly focus on outperforming rival brands. The strategic aggression is the success in this culture is defined by market penetration, brand loyalty, and profitability, motivating employees to innovate marketing strategies and optimize sales pipelines to ensure Neutra remains a dominant industry leader. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Wan Muhammad Nabhil Irfan Dewan Zamri, metric number 311737. Today, I will continue our presentation by focus on the third management function. It is 4.3 leading, especially looking into leadership style. The first style in the team-oriented leadership style, the rationale behind this approach is that work is deeply rooted in trust, mutual respect, and a shared stake in the organization purpose. In terms of application, the management balance a high concern for both task execution and employer well-being. This balance is crucial to achieve strong group cohesion. Moving on, we have transformational leadership. The goal here is to inspire innovation, encourage new way of thinking, and transmit a strong sense of mission. When it comes to application, this leader envision a successful future for the brand. The objectives are the truth, this our personal excitement, which ultimately with a strong culture of trust. Now let's move on to the next part, which is 4.3.1, process perspective on employer motivation. Here we will look at two different ways leader can motivate their staff. First is the PACE goal theory. This theory suggests that a leader main job at Neutra Sdn.Bhd is to provide clear reward and how employer the exact step and they need to take to get those rewards. Under the approved, leader use flexible style mean they can change how they can lead to be directive, supportive, participative or achievement oriented depending on the situation. They also consider contingency factor, which mean the match the leadership style with employer personality and the type of work environment. Next is wrong decision tree. This tool help manager decide how they should let employer participate when making big company decision. It start with a situational analysis where manager look at important factor like how critical the decision is and how much the team commitment matter. Finally, is look at authority level, which head leader choose whether how make the decision by themselves, talk to team first, or pass the decision making power to the team completely.
Assalamualaikum, hi everyone. My name is Ahmad Fawzan bin Muhammad Anwar, metric number 311024. First, let's look at 4.3.2 behavioral leadership approaches which focus on how leaders behave. There are three main models here. The Michigan studies look at whether leaders focus more on the job itself or on employee-centered relationship. The Ohio State studies identify two basic styles: initiation structure for defining role and consideration for showing care to subordinates. The leadership grid manages concern for production versus people. The ultimate goal is to achieve the 9.9 style or team management, which balance a high concern for both staff and people based on trust. Next, let's move on to 4.3.3, transformational leadership. Unlike traditional style, this leadership style is all about inspiring and motivating employees to achieve extraordinary outcomes and bring real change to the organization. The transformational leader has three main characteristics. First, visionary. They create and share a clear, inspiring vision for the future. Secondly, charismatic. They lead by example to earn deep trust and respect from their team. Thirdly, change agent. They constantly encourage innovation, creativity, and challenge the status quo. In short, this approach boosts employee morale, help the company adapt to market shift, and help develop future leaders. That's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Anis binti MASRURI, metric number 312335. Lastly, I will present 4.4 about controlling. Controlling is the last function in POLC. It means manager will check work performance and solve problem to make sure company goals are achieved. In controlling, there are three main types of control. First, feed-forward controls. This control happen before work start to avoid problems. For example, in Neutra company, checks employee skills and experience before hiring them. Second, concurrent control. This control happen during the work process to make sure everything runs smoothly. For example, manager monitor the deodorant production process. If there is the mistakes, they fix it immediately to avoid wasting costs and raw materials. Last, feedback control. This control happen after the product is sold to our customers. For example, customer give feedback about the deodorant products and the company use the feedback to improve the product quality and increase customer satisfaction. In conclusion, Neutra is a deodorant company that provide high quality and affordable personal care products. The company applies the four effective management function, that is planning, organizing, leading and controlling, to achieve goals and improve business performance. Neutra also has strong organizational culture, innovative products and effective leadership, which help increase employee productivity and customer satisfaction. In the future, Neutra aims to expand its markets, introduce more innovative products, maintain product quality, and become one of the most trusted personal care brand in Malaysia and worldwide.